All right, so it seems to be we are live now. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tanisha from Integrity Immigration Group, and today we have Coast Mountain College live with us, and Veer Vivek is representing the college. He's the marketing manager, student recruitment manager, India, and he will be giving all the brief discussions and the queries and the details about the Coast Mountain College, which is situated in British Columbia, Canada. So thank you so much, V, for having and coming live with us on our platform. So welcome you on our Integrity Immigration Facebook page. So can you just start up with introduction about yourself and the college?
Okay. Thank you, Trisha, for introduction. So, students, my name is Vivek Sharma, and I'm recruitment manager for Coast Mountain College, British Columbia, in India. So, we start with the college location. So, college name is Coast Mountain College. Before 2007, its name was 2017. Its name was Northwest Community College. It is very popular by the name of NWCC. Second most important thing, it is a public funded college in British Columbia, and like we have total 7 campuses in northern British Columbia in different cities. But out of 7, we offer our 3 campuses to the international students, and these 3 campuses are located in Taras City, Prince Rupert City, and Smithers City. Like if we talk about the distance from Vancouver City to the Taras, it will take 1 hour short flight to reach Taras from Vancouver. And like the nearest biggest city is Prince George, which is 4 hours drive away from Taras. Prince
Okay,
George is the city where
can
University
we
of
restart?
Northern
I think
British
it was
Columbia.
some network issue.
Sorry.
Sorry. Yeah, we had some network issue. I think you can just continue now.
Okay. So this is all about the location of the campuses. Like it is in British Columbia, northwestern British Columbia, and like we have we are accepting applications for May and September both intakes. Like we have near about 15 to 16 programs in September intake, and in May intake we have 2 programs live, which are related to the business, like business administration diploma for UG. It's a UG program, and we have post degree business administration diploma, which is a post like PG program in May. And like we have near about 5 programs for art students in September, 5 programs for science students, 2 business programs, 2 trade programs like social service worker diploma, and one West Coast culinary diploma, which is for the students who wants to make career in hotel management, cooking, or culinary arts. So, Tanisha, if you have any question
Okay.
queries, or like if you want to ask something, so please ask. I'll give answers of your questions. So, Tanisha, am I audible to you?
Yes, actually, some voice is cracking. Can you just check once you from your end any kind of network issues is there?
I can hear you properly.
Okay, okay. So you have mentioned about the programs and all that. So does because as we keep on getting the very you can say the high level of inquiries, good volume of inquiries related to the program, which is I think energy related program that is. So can you just elaborate much more the name of the program, the requirements, and the specialization of the program?
Okay. So, like we have our popular program. If we are talking about our popular programs for science students, first is Applied Coastal Ecology program. It's a UG program, especially for medical students, students who have biology in their +2. Like this program is not offered by each and every college in Canada. It is very limited, like available program in Canada, and the like job opportunities are like 100% after this program, and wage rate is very high. And this is the only option for the medical students who wants to do something else besides the health services. So so, applied
Okay.
coastal ecology is the program which is like very demanded, and visa success rate is also very high in this program. We also have its PG version, that is post degree applied coastal ecology, for those students who have done BSc agriculture, BSc biology, BSc botany, BSc zoology, or
Okay.
microbiology, biotechnology. every like that kind of student can go for post degree applied coastal ecology diploma. Both programs are in huge demand. And after that we have environmental geosciences program, again for the medical
Okay.
students. It is also like very demanded right now.
Okay, so what would be the like requirements if we talk about what sort of English proficiency is required for particularly these programs?
Okay. We accept all modes of English proficiency test, like we accept IELTS, we accept TOEFL, we accept PTE, even we accept Duolingo also for admission purposes. If we talk
Right.
about IELTS requirement, then we require overall 6 bands and no band less than 5.5, which means overall 6 bands, 5.5 in one or two modules, it'll be okay. So we are the only public funded college who is accepting that kind of requirements, like overall 6 bands and 5.5 in two modules. Otherwise, most of the students thinks that like only Quebec is the option for them. So no, in
Right, right,
British
right.
Columbia, a public funded college is also the like option for them. And if we talk about PTE, we require overall 58 score in PTE, listening, reading, writing not less than 54, speaking not less than 64. I repeat, for PTE overall 58, listening, reading, writing not less than 54, and speaking not less than 64. And if
So let's say if any student has a good enough academics, उसके अगर percentage अच्छे हैं, he has like more than 70% in academics, but the IELTS score is like 5.5 in two modules, so still he or she has a chances to get visa. I mean, overall, if this is a
uh,
requirement, it could be applied.
actually, this is the requirement from the college side only. So it is okay, it is surely that they will get admission in Coast Mountain College. But for visa, I suggest students to get at least 6 each bands for like confirmation of the visa, or like there are more chances if students are in SDS profile. So
Right.
5.5 in two modules, they are okay for getting admissions in a public funded college in BC. So this is their first step. So any student who is like uh, worrying about like say intake
Means we can say, means rather than just wasting time in like repeating the IELTS itself, वो at least अपने admission process करते हैं, because no public
yes
college is
me
going to entertain with this module, right?
yes meanwhile they got their admission, their LOA, they can improve their IELTS, and they can present their new improved IELTS score in their visa filing, so their chances are quite higher. But anybody
Right, right,
if
right.
anybody wants to like go ahead with 5.5 in two modules, they want to test their luck, so we are the better option than Quebec.
Right, right. Okay. So generally what we have, I mean, every consultant
Sorry, Tanisha, you are
has
not
a
audible.
brand. So like for, okay, okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now. Please repeat.
Okay. So, okay. So I was like talking about that every student has a mindset and every consultant has a challenge of the same that student too. And when it comes to British Columbia, those two preferred locations, let's say that Surrey, Vancouver. So if we talk about the location of Coast Mountain College and the high visa success ratio, so how to basically counsel a student, how to make them understand that getting visa is much more important rather than getting refusal as per your choice of location. It's not be going to be worthful. ये जो mindset है
Actually,
students का.
I can understand your question, but Tanisha, the thing is that visa success rate is high in the regional provinces where we are, and second thing is that
Right.
we can compare Terrace, Prince Rupert, and Smithers with the in the prospect of job opportunities with Toronto and Vancouver, because in this particular location the job opportunities are quite higher, much more than other cities in the Canada. And wage rate is also good, like minimum wage rate over here is 14 Canadian dollars, which goes up to 25 Canadian dollars per hour, which is quite higher than other
Right.
provinces. And living cost is almost 50% in comparison to other provinces, like within 500 to 800 Canadian dollars student can manage their living cost in that these particular cities, so it is very affordable.
Okay, okay. So
And
basically,
infrastructure,
first of all, hmm.
one thing more, like infrastructure of these all three cities is very good, like they are fully developed cities. There are lots of hotels, resorts, restaurants, cafe, bar, grocery store, multiplex, malls. Everything is there. And all these three cities are very popular as a tourist destination in Northwest British Columbia. People also called it Switzerland of Canada, because winter
Okay.
sports are very popular in this region. Like, it is a famous tourist destination. From all over the world, people come over here, especially US citizens. So there are lots of job opportunities, highest wage rate, and living cost is quite lower. And after all, the main thing is that PR is
Okay.
very easy. Almost
And
after, yes.
you
uh, you're not audible, Tanisha. Please repeat. No, Tanisha, I can't hear you.
I can hear you. Yeah, yeah. Just
Okay, now
continue.
I
You were
can hear
talking
you.
about the PR. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
PR. So PR is very easy in this region. Most of the student who spend their 2 years in their education, they will get PR in third year. And if any student is lazy to like complete his documentation, he will get PR in fourth year. Even students from Vancouver and other major cities of British Columbia, they moved after completion of their studies in Vancouver or any other cities to this region to get PR, because BC government provides extra points under RNIP and PNP, both programs for PR. So getting PR is very easy in this region. So if we talk about the students from all over like Punjab, 90% of students are just uh, are after like these 4 points. Number one point is
Right, right.
better job opportunities. Second thing is uh, uh, higher wage rate. Third point is lowest living cost, and the main thing, that is PR. So all these are the USPs for the Coast Mountain College.
Right, right, right. And as we have already keep on witnessing, like the day or the other, like so many visas keep on coming off Coast Mountain College. So for the students who are graduated, so what sort of programs does we have for the graduated ones?
Okay. We only have two PG programs. One is post degree
Okay.
business administration program, and second is post degree applied coastal ecology program. Like, business program
Okay.
is open for every student who is graduate, but there is a like requirement of mathematics or statistics in plus two or in graduation, any one of these. So the students who have mathematics or statistics in their background studies, they can get direct admission in post degree business administration diploma. Otherwise, they have to like go through a small online math test by the name of
Test.
AccuPlacer
Okay.
math test, that
Mm-hmm.
costs only and only $25, and it is very easy
Okay.
test. The syllabus, sample paper, everything is available on that website. And students only need to get 244 marks out of 500, less than 50% marks. So it's very easy
See,
test.
this is the, I mean, new thing which, I mean, we came to know because see, students, as you know, in Punjab, they lack this point. They doesn't have maths. Majority of students,
Yes,
and that
majority
is the
of
reason they choose wrong program, and you know, then it goes like on you know, the things are interconnected. SOP will be likewise only. Then obviously refusal comes. So if the things are pretty much clear in the earlier stage, only the students won't be facing any kind of challenges. So the students, I'm like, I would like to make a request to all the viewers, the students, or like the graduated ones, whoever wants to apply without maths, so they have got an opportunity to just have a like minor this test clearance and can apply with Coast Mountain College. Yeah, you may continue, you were speaking
yes.
something.
Yes. So actually, this like majority of the profiles of commerce students, especially from Punjab School Education Board, Haryana School Education Board, they doesn't have mathematics or
Right.
statistics in their subjects. So in that time, this test is like very affordable, only $25, and success rate of this test is very high. Like more than 200 students have given already this test, and not a single student fails that test. So this is the like
Okay.
easiest
and
option for
and
the
in
students.
how many days the result would reflect after giving the test?
On the same day, it's an
Same
online
day.
test, so test will be
Okay.
reflected on the
Okay.
same day, and student is ready to pay his tuition deposit and After that, only visa filing is left. So it's the
Right,
easiest way
right.
for those students who doesn't have mathematics. And second PG program is applied coastal ecology post degree. So again, this program is only for those students who have studied biology, botany, or zoology in plus two or in graduation. Like most of the students in this programs comes like from BSc agriculture, BSc
Hmm.
biology, BSc botany, BSc zoology, biotechnology, or microbiology. Any study who have a subject by the name of biology, botany, or zoology, they can come to this program.
Okay, okay, great, great. Okay, so program will be of like 1 year or 2 years, the duration of the program?
PG Business Administration is of 2 year program, and
Okay.
PG Applied Coastal Ecology is a 1 year program. But it doesn't matter like the duration of the program if we talk about the BC, because in BC after completion of study, if you have a job offer, you can apply for PR. In BC, there is no requirement of 1 year experience for applying PR. So in BC, this is a kind of advantage for us and
Advantages,
students also.
right, right. No problem, no problem. Okay. So we have covered up like the programs, the requirements, and of course the salient features of Coast Mountain College. Anything else you wanted to add up right now?
Yes, I will let you know about some programs for art students. For art students, we have already almost 5 programs. Like number one is Associates of Arts degree, which is open for any art student, and it's a kind of BA in India. So we have
Okay.
almost 150 plus courses to
Okay.
choose from and proceed our study into that. Second thing is uh, archaeological and cultural resource management specialization. Tanisha, this program is specially designed for history students, the plus two students in
Okay.
arts who have history in their subject. It is the best relevant program for them. And the visa success rate with history students, it's very high. After that, there is a
Okay.
sustainable community specialization. That is also a very popular program. And we have two criminology programs, criminology specialization and criminology diploma. Criminology specialization gives access to those students who wants to do a law study in Canada. They want to become a lawyer in Canada. This criminology specialization program is like a pathway for them. They have to study 2 years at Coast Mountain College with the criminology specialization, and after that they can transfer their credits to any university throughout BC, like Royal Roads University, University of British
Right.
Columbia, University of Northern British Columbia, and they have to study 4 more years in the university, and they will become a lawyer. At the same
Okay.
time,
So
criminology. Yes, yes.
maths must be required
No,
for
no,
this
no,
program.
no. Math, not any single subject is required mandatory for this program.
As for this program.
Students from student from any stream can go for this program. Like there is no any requirement mandatory subject for this
Okay.
program. And the second
Okay.
program,
Okay.
that is
Okay.
criminology
Fine.
diploma. After criminology diploma, students can't do like further study for law, but they have certain other job opportunities for regarding this program. So these are programs offered for art students. Business programs, we have already discussed about business programs. So we also have one very popular program, which is social service diploma. We are accepting applications for social service diploma
Okay.
for September 2022 intake, and this program is very popular right now because social service is in essential services in Canada. So job opportunity, like 100% job guarantees there, and wage rate is almost double in this year. So this is also very
Okay.
popular program. Yes.
So for this program, what sort of background is required of the student they can apply for this program? I mean, the requirements, eligibility.
Okay, for social service diploma, there is no any mandatory subject again. We only require
Okay.
mandatory subjects for the science programs and business programs. Like in business program, we require mathematics or statistics, and in science programs, the certain subjects are there like physics, chemistry,
Right.
biology, or mathematics according to
Right.
the program. But Rest all of the programs doesn't need any specific mandatory program subject. So
Okay, okay,
no,
fine.
there is no any mandatory subject required. Even
Okay.
graduate
So
students
a
apply for
student.
social studies
Mhm.
diploma.
Okay, okay, fine. So basically, students have lots of flexibility if we talk about the programs, the requirements, and the like the mandatory part, which can be also you can say taken care by giving the exam in the sorry the test online, the maths part one for the students
Yes,
doesn't have maths. Okay.
yes. Coast Mountain College provides lots of the leeway to the students for admission process at least.
Right, right, right. Okay, so if we talk about the main take, so still we have, I think, some seats limited left with us. So, what are the programs
Uh,
which are available for the main take?
yes, in May intake we already closed our one program, that is Business Administration Diploma, which is a UG program. So we are only open
Okay,
with the post degree business administration. The graduate students from India who wants to do a post degree diploma in business administration, they can apply for May intake right now.
okay, okay, fine. So, I mean, the students, if suppose they apply for the main take and still they are like preparing for the IELTS, so they have still chance to get the deferment for the September intake.
Yes, PG program is also available in September intake of business. So deferment is not like that they have to wait for a 1 year or a whole 1 year. No, after May, September is also open.
Okay, okay, fine. So, okay, so we have few inquiries, which is just flashing. So, can we just take up the inquiries and get up the session? So, one of the student is asking like if like refusal is there. Okay, so he hasn't mentioned the refusal of the like where he got it. So can he reapply with this college? And so does he need to change up the program as well? Basically, it's related to business only. So might be Can you hear me now?
Okay. So like the student can
Yeah. Can you
reapply.
hear me?
He just need to change the institution. Like maybe he have applied for some other institution, so he
Hello.
can apply for business.
Yeah. We is
Yes,
this audible? My voice is audible.
yes, Tanisha. Now I can hear you. Please repeat the question.
Okay, so basically the student query is like, does he should change the program as well, or should reapply with the program which he had taken up earlier, like the business administration. So I would request the student to just call our own counseling department numbers because there is a reason mass would have been there or not. That is the reason.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine. So, Duolingo basis, you have told the admission is there, probability is there. So, what is the requirement of the Duolingo? Minimum score is required for the admission purpose.
Okay. For Duolingo students, we require overall 95 score. They can get admission at Coast Mountain
Okay.
College with that score or more than 95. And we also accept TOEFL. For TOEFL, we require overall 90, listening, reading 22, writing, speaking 23. I repeat, for TOEFL students, overall 90, listening, reading 22, writing, speaking 23.
All right, all right. So, we would like to request all the students who have so many inquiries, they can call our own like official numbers and get the inquiries resolved.
Tanisha, I can't hear you. You're not audible. Hello. No, Tanisha, I can't hear you. Sorry, Tanisha, I can't hear you and see you. I think we lost the connection. So,